the first of our To Put It Briefly videos here on Advocates of Individualized Hearing Care. I'm Jeff Samanda, and today we are talking to Oliver von Borstel, CEO of Masters of Business Development, founder of the Ethical Selling Concept, and president of the Swiss Chamber of Commerce in the Netherlands. Oliver, what is ethical selling?
Okay, thank you, Jeffrey, for inviting me. A pleasure to answer your questions because I'm dealing with that, with those already more than 16 years. So what is ethical selling? Let me start with what is not ethical in selling. Not ethical in selling is everything where you push and or manipulate buyers to buy something. For instance, hearing aid devices, it's not ethical to manipulate them to buy something.
Why is ethical selling important?
It is important because, for instance, a hearing aid, or what I like to call it, a hearing aid solution, which is actually much more than just the small devices. There's much more behind it. It's the assessment meeting, it's the pre-assessment procedures, it's the after-sale services. So it's actually an entire package. You actually are not selling a commodity here. It is about that they sell a better quality of life. That's why ethical selling is important, because in my model, in my concept, it's based on person-centered care. And actually that says a lot. The audiologist or a hearing care professional at the dispenser, they are able to advise a person what would be the individual best and most optimal hearing aid solution. That's why ethical selling is so important.
A total solution and a real partnership, a feeling, but a bona fide partnership between the patient or client and the hearing care professional. Oliver, thank you very much. We're going to be leaving your contact information up on the screen for a bit and encourage people to reach out to you for more information on your ethical selling program. Thank you very much, Oliver.
Thank you very much, Jeffrey. It was my pleasure. Thank you.